The Audi Q6 off-road concept surprised with its ground clearance and torque. The electric car was turned into a real SUV. The main feature of the Audi Q6 e-tron off-road concept was the wheel reducer specially developed for it. The company calls such a design portal bridges, but there are, of course, no bridges here. The Q6 retained its independent suspension, although all the levers had to be recreated for the track widened by 250 millimeters. Ground clearance has been doubled, from the standard 160 mm to an impressive 320 mm. The bottom remains flat, but the battery has acquired additional power protection. The brakes have also been redesigned. The wheels are shod with evil-studded tyres Venom Power Terra Hunter XT. Wheel reduction gears increase the torque of the wheels by 50% at once, compared to 20 to 30% for conventional portal axles. As a result, peak traction at the wheels reaches 13,400 Nm instead of 9,000 Nm for the standard SQ6 e-tron crossover, on which the concept is based. The electric motors remain standard. In total they produce 517 horsepower and 580 Nm, although such torque is only available for 10 seconds. The concept is capable of climbing up to 45 degrees.